Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC device to HTC Desire 20 Plus. First of all, you need to go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. Then you want to go with receive on 20 Plus and send on this HTC device. Now tap on all of those dots and click send to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that because it will take some time, so I will only select this one photo, click send and tap got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can either input this password or scan this QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on 20 Plus. Then select allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select Browse and tap on, in my case, Images. Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!